A photograph is so much bigger than the frame it's in. It's a whole world. And hopefully it transports you to a perspective outside your own. I've been lucky enough to see nature in ways that few people get to experience. And you know, Intel technology has expanded that experience. It's opened up this whole new sphere. I can put a camera almost anywhere now. I can trigger them remotely, I can look through the lens remotely, and suddenly I'm face to face with the wild. So much of photography, at its very essence, is about trying to capture a moment. You're trying to stop time. A powerful photograph can change the course of a person's life. It did for me. When I was a kid, my grandmother shared photographs of her travels. And I realized then that this world is just waiting to be explored. It's really easy to live in a little bubble, but if you are willing to put yourself out there, you can be so much bigger than that.